I have a Vortex e-bike from Eco Trick company, and I have a problem with, actually I just fixed it, but for those of you who have disc brakes, and let's say your lever here is too soft, what happened before was that the distance here would go all the way in here. Okay, I fixed it already, and then I can press it all the way in here, but it doesn't engage the brake. So so there are three areas that you can adjust. It's very simple. Again, this is the disc brake, not the other kind of brake system. And one tool you need is this Allen wrench here. I'm using 316 here. That's all you need. There's two ends here, one end and the other end. Okay, what you want to try first is to come on this way here. I'm doing my front wheel here. As you can see, there's a brake caliper adjustment screw here. There are many screws, but this thing might be a little bit too loose. So you want to a little bit tighten clockwise, like so. You're gonna put it in here and just tighten it up a little bit to the right. I'm not gonna do mine yet, but you get the idea. Just tighten it up to the right, just a little bit. And then go here and then feel your brake here, your lever. And put your bike to the front, see if it's brake. So I already fixed mine, so push to the front and look like it's grabbing now. So try that first before you do anything else. Because I just bought my bike like over a month ago. And again, adjustment might not be right all the time, and I had to do some other adjustment a little bit. Now if that doesn't work, then we have to your cable might be too loose here, so we can adjust that. Adjust your brake cable. You're gonna loosen this outside, loosen it out, basically counterclockwise. You're gonna turn it this way, right? Gonna turn it this way, this way, this way, a little bit to loosen it. And here you're gonna come down, and right here you are going to loosen this bolt here. Okay, so your cable will come loose. And then you don't need other tools. What you can do, once you loosen this, you're gonna tighten it back by first you're gonna squeeze this. You see this? You can squeeze. You're gonna squeeze this in a little bit, okay, like this, and then tighten it up. You get the idea, right? You're losing it, you squeeze this, and then you tighten up the screw here, and then you're gonna come back here to your lever, and then tighten up this, okay, clockwise. Okay, and then test your brake here, and you should see the lever start to engage just right around here or whatever. And again, you can play with these screws, and you can play with this. If it's still too soft, you can tighten it up more. Like I say, you can go down here and just tighten it up just a little bit. Okay, don't go too crazy. And then just come here, and like in my case, I was able to test it. So to test the front brake, just push to the front here. Okay, it's pretty good. I press it and it's good. And then to check the rear brake, you're gonna push it back here, backwards, and it catch it. Okay, so again, those are only one area, two area, and then three area here that you need to be able to use to adjust your brake lever and your brake performance. Hope it helps. Just a quick video. Thanks for watching, and have a great ride and be safe. Make sure to take care of your brakes. Now, if for some reason you couldn't get it to work out, I will highly recommend you to go to your bike shop right away, because this is a safety issue. You don't want to take any chances. Okay? Be safe, have fun, get good exercise, and enjoy your riding. Bye for now.